Okay, let's see how we can solve this. We have this polynomial and we are asked to divide it by x minus 1. Basically, we are going to make use of long division. This is a long division approach. We have our divisor, which is x minus 1 here, and then the divided, which is x raised to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 here. So what we are going to do is we are going to look for a variable that when you multiply it with this x, is going to give you exactly x raised to the power 3. And we know that it's only x squared that can do that, x raised to the power 2. Because by the time you say x raised to the power 2 times x, is going to give us x raised to the power 3. And then we have x raised to the power 2 times minus 1, that will be minus x raised to the power 2. Remember, the target is just to get what looks exactly like the first one, not the second one. So even if the second one now looking exactly the same, there's nothing wrong with that. So x raised to the power 3, we are going to subtract x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 3 will go to 0. Then x minus 2x squared minus minus will become a plus. So minus 2x squared plus x squared will now become minus x squared. Then we have our minus 5x there plus 6 because nothing is subtracting those ones. So our new equation now becomes this. The next thing is we are going to look for a variable that when you multiply with this one, is going to give you exactly minus x squared. So that will be minus x. Because by the time we say minus x times x, that will give us minus x raised to the power of 2. Is that okay? Then minus times minus will give us a plus. X times 1 will give us what? X. Then we are still going to subtract again. So this will be minus minus minus. That will become a plus. So this will definitely go to 0. Then we have minus 5x minus x. That will become minus 6x. And then we have our plus 6 there because nothing is subtracting it. Then the next thing is to look for what when you multiply with this one will give you exactly minus 6. And the only thing that can do that is minus 6 here. Because by the time you say minus 6 times x, is going to give you minus 6x. And then minus times minus will give us a plus. 6 times 1 will give us a 6. By the time you subtract this, we have minus 6 minus minus 6x. Minus 6x minus minus 6x will go to 0. And then 6 minus 6 will still go to 0. Therefore, we can say that our x raised to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 all divided by x minus 1 is equal to, this is our